Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, madam.
What's your name, sir?
My lord, I'm Detective Inspector Mpanizo Agre.
Detective wa police.
How old are you, sir?
Mpanizo Agre.
I'm 57 years old.
What's your religion?
I'm a Protestant by faith.
Protestant. Please go ahead and take oath.
I, Detective Inspector Mpanizo Agre, swear by the Almighty God that the evidence I'm going to give to this honorable court shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Agre, you say you're 57 years.
It's true, my lord.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a police officer.
Where are
you attached?
I'm attached to Kampala Metropolitan Police Headquarters, CPS.
CPS, Kampala Metropolitan.
What role did you play in this case?
My lord, I received instructions to carry out investigation support Kabaragara Police Division. I was entrusted in two.
You're going to go at Penny's speed. You received instructions?
I received the instructions from Detective Esrite James, Divisional CID Officer, Kabaragara Police Station.
Yes.
I received these instructions after I have been sent by my CID commander, ASCP Talemwa Moses.
Nafuna ebiragiro okuva ewa Detective Esrite James oluvannyuma lw'okubanga nali mpitiddwa mukama wange ASCP Talemwa
Moses. That was on 6th of April 2026.
What instructions did you receive from James?
I received instructions to process court orders,
nafuna ebiragiro ogenda mu maaso n'okufuna order za kooti,
obtain call data records, mobile money statements, KYC, in full know your customer, and card history for a phone number 0769 58 2620, being the phone number for a suspect by name of Onyum Christopher Okello, who was being investigated for an alleged case of murder.
nafuna ebiragiro okufuna order ya kooti okugenda mu maaso n'okuba nga nfuna ebikwata ku ngeri gye yakozesaamu engeri y'essimu, ennamba y'essimu gye yakozesebwamu, statement za mobile money n'enkozesa y'ennamba y'essimu namba 0769585262, ng'ennamba eno yali mannya ga ateebereza okuzza omusango Onyum Christopher Okello.
What other instructions?
I proceeded to mark.
Did you receive any other instructions?
Yes, my lord. On 9th of April 2026, I received further instructions from the Divisional CID Officer Kabaragara, Esrite James, to obtain court orders for 3 bank accounts held at Stanbic Bank.
Era nawe bw'obuvunaanyizibwa obulala nga 9 omwezi gw'okuna omwaka 2026 okuba nga nfuna court order okugenda mu maaso nga nfuna ku bikwata ku akawunti 3 ezaali mu Stanbic Bank.
My Lord, I proceeded in compliance to the orders or instructions issued to me, went to Makinye, Chief Magistrate Court, deponed affidavit, secured court orders for inspection and retrieving of copies of information from MTN Uganda Limited, and Stanbic Bank Uganda Limited.
Era nagenda mu maaso n'okugondera ekiragiro ekyali kimpeereddwa ne ngenda mu kooti y'e Makindye, Chief Magistrates Court, era ne ndayira ne mpaayo ebirayiro era ne nfuna order okuba nga ngenda okutunula n'okufuna kopi z'ebikwata ku kopi z'ekiragiro okugenda mu kitongole kya MTN Uganda Limited ne bank ne Stanbic Bank.
My Lord, I served the court orders to the manager, MTN Uganda Limited, and I was issued with the information that I had requested. Core data records, KYC, mobile money statement, and card history.
Nagenda mu maaso order ne nzitwala ewa manager mu kitongole kya MTN.
What did you get?
I obtained core data records, mobile money statement, KYC, and card history for the number 0769 582620.
Ekiragiro kya kooti kyenafuna nagenda ne nkiwa manager wa MTN okusaba call data ebikwata ku ntambuza ya sente ku namba y'essimu
0769
eri 0769585262.
Repeat the number again.
0769 582620.
Yes.
I also served the court orders to manager Stanbic Kabaragara branch. 3 court orders, my
Era
lord.
nagenda mu maaso ne ntwala ebiragiro bya kooti 3 ewa manager wa bank ya Stanbic ku ttabi ly'e Kabalagala.
And I was issued with the documents that were in the request. That is, account statements for 3 accounts, 1 UGX and 2 USD accounts.
Era nagenda mu maaso ne mpeebwa ebiwandiiko ebyali mu kusaba kwe nali ntutteyo nga byali ku akawunti eterekebwako sente eza siringi ne sente eza $.
I was also issued with the bank account opening documents for the 3 accounts.
Era naweebwa ebiwandiiko ebyali bikwata ku kuggulawo akawunti ng'era zaali za akawunti ebiwandiiko byali bya akawunti 3.
And the accounts belonged to account name Onyum Christopher Okello.
Era amannya agaali ku ezo akawunti ge gaali Onyum Christopher Okello.
My Lord, the accounts are in a report which I prepared
so
later.
fast for all of us. Yeah, taking us real speed.
You will. I'm up there looking at you.
Okay, the accounts belong to Onyum Christopher Okello.
So
Yes, my lord.
what followed after you acquired all the required documents that you needed?
My Lord, I proceeded to analyze both the telecom data from MTN and the bank documents from Stanbic Bank, as requested by Division Rosedi Kawaragara.
Nagenda mu maaso n'okwekubojja byombiri ebiwandiiko bye nali nzije mu kitongole kya MTN n'ebyo nali nzije mu banka ya Stanbic Bank Kabalagala nga bwe nali nsabiddwa.
After analysis,
I issued a report which was addressed to Director of Public Prosecutions on 17th April 2026.
Era oluvannyuma nakola alipooti gye nawandiikira aba ofiisi abakola ku buwabi bwa gavumenti nga 17/2/2026.
how can you identify the report that you authored?
My Lord, the report was a 7-page document and I endorsed on each page of the report with my signature.
About the court orders that you talked about.
My Lord, the court orders bear my signature.
Sorry?
The court orders bear my signature as a deponent.
Court orders.
Court orders.
What do you mean by court orders bearing your signature? A court order.
My Lord, the court
What
orders,
bears your signature?
my affidavit in application for the court orders bear my signature and a copy of my warrant card ID.
Report gye nakola nsobola okugitegeera nti ya miko 7 ng'era eriko omukono gwange era nga buli mukono ateekako omukono gwange era nga n'ebirayiro bye nnakuwa okugenda okufuna oda za kooti nazo kuliko omukono gwange.